Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. My name is Quinn from MacDon. I'm the product support specialist for corn headers, and today we're going to go through checking your stock chopper knives. For optimal performance and reliability, stock chopping knives must be checked daily or after every 10 hours of use. All the safety.
I feel so safe.
Much safe. Checking our stock chopper knives, we want to make sure that our knives are not worn. If worn past the halfway point, recommend flipping the orientation, as these are double-sided knives. The next thing we want to check is the free play in the knife and bushing. We're going to grab onto the knife gently, and we're going to wiggle it back and forth and ensure that we do not have more than 1 millimeter of play on the knife. If the play is more than 1 millimeter, change out the chopping knife, bushing, and hardware. Or replace our stock chopping knives. We're going to use an impact with a 19 millimeter socket. We want to ensure that the knife can rotate freely on the bushing and that there is not more than 1 millimeter of lateral play to ensure a safe and effective system. We will install our bushing in the knife, insert our knife into the hub, grab our new hardware, install. After tightening, grab your knife and ensure it swings freely. After checking your first assembly, ensure this is checked across the entire width of the header.